Olympic villagers get their stuff clean? Ugh, so dirty. Well, colored clothes in a colored laundry bag goes in here. White clothes in a white laundry bag goes in here. And well, these guys, well, I'll just keep this brief. That goes in there. And follow me and I'll show you where this goes and where we get our clothes washed. Catch you soon. It's the laundry desk. Not such a big queue. Hello. Hello. Can I drop off my laundry, please? So you drop the laundry off here. Tomorrow after 12. Thank you very much. So it's the next day. I'm back after 12 and I'm here to pick up the laundry. They fetched my laundry from the back and I'm ready to rock and roll with clean, fresh clothes.